This video is sponsored by Hoover, and I've been quite busy these days, but I'm excited to share some things around our home, and I'm answering a question that you guys want to know. So today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of purging and reorganizing, starting with my kitchen. I've accumulated so many things over the years. I want to address a question that I get a lot on social media and here on YouTube, and that's what do I do with all of that stuff that I have? A lot of things that I use, I just don't throw away. I'll save them. We have a shed in the backyard, and I did have a storage unit in town that I just recently got rid of, and I have a bunch of stuff in my garage that I need to go through. But I save it because I have several friends who own staging businesses, and they buy that from me. So I kind of like get a return back from what I invested in over the years. The thing that I do is I also donate to my family. You guys may know that my dad lost his wife about 6 months ago, and he moved here with us to Florida. We wanted to move him closer so we could keep an eye on him and just, look after him. And I'm redecorating his house with some of those pieces that I've kept over the years. And quite frankly, his style is glam. Like, he really loves what I have, and he loves what I've done with my own home. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of that with you guys later on. The other thing too is I'm going to start my kitchen by purging a lot of things. I've already started. I didn't film like a lot of it because it was a lot. So I kind of like pulled everything out of the cabinets and out of the a lot of my curio cabinet that's in my dining room. It was just a lot of things that I just don't use any longer. So let me take you along the journey. Come on. First, let's get this dusting out of the way. This is a place where I often forget to clean. Oh, I got a new rug. It's from Well Woven. Double runners and a 7x10 rug for the dining area in the color blue. I'm kind of a geometric gal, so this is definitely my style and taste. My glutes gotta work out this day, but it was all worth it because it's almost dust free. And speaking of dust, let me share this newbie with you. This is Hoover's One Power Evolve 2 Pet Elite Cordless Vacuum Kit. I'm loving this little guy so much. It comes with a lithium battery and charger, fingertip controls that are really convenient, and the battery indicator light is super useful. Another favorite thing, it's lightweight and it's super easy to move or carry around our home, and that's important to me because once I start vacuuming, I do not like to stop. I'll keep going and going. And another plus, do you see how sharp these LED lights are? Oh my goodness, it makes cleaning even easier. It's compact size, great for storage. I'll be sure to leave the link to Hoover's One Power Evolve Pet Elite Cordless Vacuum in my description box. I just turned 52 a few weeks ago, and I feel that the older I'm getting, the less I need. I'm enjoying opening my cabinets or drawers and seeing less. In fact, that's the legacy that I'm fighting for. Less is more. These bowls have seen better days, and I did gift them to someone in need. Maybe they can get them clean, but it was a set and everything went to them. These were some of my entertaining dishes, and no more. Tomorrow's not promised to you or anyone. Enjoy your things now. This is a process, trying to get things cleaned and reorganizing. This may take me a full day, if not 2 days, but I'm trying, you guys. Follow me over on Instagram so you can see snippets of what I'm doing and what I'm going to be doing next. And also I'm going to be sharing these elephants that are in the room, and I have some new ones that are going to be going above the dining table. I'm very excited to share that with you because they are way, way, way different. Stay tuned. Time is getting away from me, so I'm starting our dinner. I am making seafood lasagna roll-ups with shrimp and salmon. Oh my god, you guys. These are to die for. This is my family's fave. It's quick and easy to do. If you are a seafood lover, then you will love this. While that's cooking, I am organizing one of many of my cabinets of dishes using these acrylic risers that are actually made to put your desktop computer on. But y'all know I'm extra, and I'm using this makeup palette organizer for my tasting spoons that can often get broke or lost. It not only looks neat, but there's no visual weight to the cabinet. I like to call this elegant with simplicity. I don't know about you guys, but at some point I've purchased doubles of things, maybe even triples, because I couldn't see what I was looking for in having this set up like this or something similar to this. You are less likely to waste your coins, buying things you already own. My son, he nailed it with purchasing these glasses. I love them. They have like this ridge that's on them that is kind of gives it like a casual, but a slight touch of elegance to them. And they're heavy. They're not like super heavy, but they got a little weight to them. And the short ones, these are just, they're nice. They're just a nice size. They're the perfect drinking glasses. And this is just what I need. I don't need a whole bunch because you know, I don't entertain like that any longer. And then I have a whole cabinet that's loaded with like entertaining stuff in my dining room. So this is great for everyday glasses. The other ones are chipped, some are missing. And that's a tip to you guys. Glassware is very inexpensive to replace. So if you have chipped ones, missing ones, you owe it to yourself, okay, to purchase new ones. Get rid of the old and get some new. Before the holiday, it was such an honor to participate with Lamps Plus Trends Report. They wanted my input on upcoming trends and lighting and why behind the identified trends. How cool is that, right? I got to choose my lighting for my kitchen. Let me share a little unboxing for you so you can see the care and the quality Lamps Plus put into their packaging. It took the hubster no time to put it together while he was watching the game, of course. We did have an electrician come and add 2 electrical outlets for the chandeliers, and they capped off the center outlet. If I ever wanted to go back to a single shandy, I have that option. We got new captain chairs for the head of the table, and I love having them here, so I ordered more to have a full set. They roll, they're just super comfy, and I have them at the foot of our bed and one in my office. I know it's a lot of white, but I refuse to compromise what I love for anyone. White isn't the easiest to keep clean, we all know that, but I like to see my dirt and I don't mind cleaning. This rug is indoor-outdoor. I've also scotch guarded everything, so spills and accidents are so easy to clean. And it's all about fabric choices that you choose. They now have accident-friendly choices in most furniture these days, so don't ever compromise what you love. I got new lighting. These drum pendants were installed before the holidays. They're big and bold, but I needed something stunning and dramatic above our eating kitchen table to complement them. Bold is my jam for 2023, and that's why I chose the Lamps Plus Balsam 6 Light White Luster Chandelier that also comes in a beautiful matte black. Its quarterfall shape and the bold gold finishes alludes to that Parisian style that I was trying to achieve above our dining table. The ceilings in our kitchen that are much more shorter than the space in our family room, which is 20 feet high, by the way, which is right off our kitchen. With that being said, its low profile silhouette is also ideal to not only create a stylish lighting for your space, but is also a focal point in the spaces with lower ceilings. If you are on my Instagram, I shared the snippet of my new utensils. Yes, I'm really a homebody. That's one thing about me. And I've learned over the years to just adjust and valuing my time with me. Trying being in your own company, you guys. Don't be afraid, you will love it. So if doing something like this little task of organizing your utensil drawer or any cabinet in your home or any drawer that has chaos, do it for yourself. It will make you happy. I got new flatware. My other ones didn't hold up too good in the dishwasher, but the quality of these are so much better. The handles are very sleek and elegant, modern. They have such a graceful design, and they have a good amount of weight to them. Hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I absolutely have more on the way with short videos in between, and I want to thank you all for watching.